Good morning, children. Next comes our topic about the page size. Where we find this page size button? In the page layout option, we find the size of the page. When you give a click on the down arrow, here we can find size of the page. Letter small, tabloid, ledger, legal, statement, executive, A3, A4, A4 small. And if you want to check more pages, just click on the more page, and here in the drop down box a window will appear. In the window, just click on the paper and you can change the size of the paper here. Let us change to legal. We can change and see the preview here, children, underneath the preview option. Let us show you. See, you can see the change. And if you click on OK, then that change will be applied to the whole document. Here you can select either the whole document or the selected text. You will get the option. If we click on OK, then that change will be applied to the whole document. Next comes the indent text. What is a indent text? See, children, we have two buttons here. This is decrease indent and the increase indent. First, let us see what is an indent. Indent determines the amount of space between the text and the page margin. See, children, here by default I have a paragraph in the document. We have a rulers here. See, the margin space between the paper and the text, this space is called as the indent. The space between the line and the margin is called the indent. Here we can increase the indent or decrease the indent. How to increase the indent and decrease the indent? Let us see. Just select the text and click on the indents. Now I want to increase the space between the gap between the margin line and the text. So just I am clicking on the increase indent. When I give a click, you can see the change. It is the margin space has been increased. It moves towards its right, giving an half-inch gap between the margin and the text. Now let us see how to decrease the indent. See, you can see the change. It moves an half-inch towards its left to decrease the indent. Each time you click on the increase indent button, the paragraph will move half-inch away from the left margin. You can also set the indents by the dragging method. Select the paragraph and drag the first line indent, left indent, right indent or hanging indent on the ruler bar. That means this. This also helps us to decrease the indent space. These are called as the ruler bars. These are the ruler bars. Next comes the finding the text. You can find this option on the ribbon of the home page. In the ribbon of the home page, at the corner, find and replace. We can find the options find and replace. What is the meaning of find and replace in the text? When you are working with the large documents, Word provides the facility to search your document using find feature. and change words or phrases using the replace option to find a particular word or phrase in the current document. See children, here we have only 6 lines. So, you can find the, I want to know where is THE, the. As we have only 6 lines, we can find easily THE, the. We have here, and where else we have? Nowhere. Like that, I want to find Microsoft Word. Where you can find this Microsoft Word? In the first line and in the fourth line. Because it is a small passage, we can search. But if the document is full, if we want to find the text, how we will find? We will use the find button. We will use the find button. Just click on the down arrow, or the shortcut key is Control F. The shortcut key is Control F, and go to the option find. Go to the option find. Now I want to find INN. And see. Click on find. Click on find. See, it is showing, it is highlighting INN. See, it is taking the only 2 characters, that is IN. Now I want to find WAS. And click on enter button. Click on enter button. See, we got where WAS is. Still I want to search where it is. Word has finished searching the document. Okay. Now replace. What is replace? See children, I have find words. Now I want to replace the word with in. Let us think, I want to replace the word WAS was to INN. Then see. What should first I have to do? I have to search the word which I want to replace. I am giving the word what I have to find in the find what, and by which it should be replaced is given in the replace with. Here see, replace. Click on replace. Just click on replace all. Then see, previous document you have WAS was here. It was introduced, but it is replaced with IN. It is replaced with IN. It in introduced. Like that we can replace the word with the another word. We can replace the text with the another text by using the Microsoft Word, by using the option replace in Microsoft Word. Thank you children.